everyone, welcome back to Behind the Smile. In our last episode, we talked about insecurities, what they are, how they affect us, and how to cope with them. Today, we're moving forward and talking about building confidence, learning to believe in yourself even when doubt tries to hold you back. Next, what is confidence? Confidence isn't about being perfect or never feeling scared. It's about trusting yourself and knowing that you can face challenges. Confident people still make mistakes, but they learn from them instead of giving up. Small step to build confidence. Confidence grows slowly through small steps. Set realistic goals and celebrate when you achieve them. Speak kindly to yourself. Try again after failure. Practice new skills. Every small success helps you to believe in yourself more. Confidence in school and life. Confidence helps students participate in class, share ideas, and try new opportunities. It also improves communication with friends and helps you handle challenges better. Believing in yourself can make daily life easier and more enjoyable. Facing fear and failure. Fear and failure are normal. Instead of avoiding mistakes, see them as lessons. Every failure is a chance to grow. Remember, progress matters more than perfection. And if you feel unsure about yourself, remember, growth takes time. You don't have to be confident all the time. Just be brave enough to keep trying.